So now I've got the mini flip top. I'm dying to know what's underneath this sill, so even though it's quite late, I'm going to cut through these few crappy welds and get this sill off, and we'll have a look. The rest of the floor actually pretty solid underneath the undersill, stone chips, whatever crap, so lovely. That's all gone. That's what's left of that outer sill. So here's the original sill, outer sill. Some of it actually still solid. But yeah, Oversill, you just whack it over the top and it just carries on rusting out from the inside. Look at that. She is not mint. She's not mint, lads. Right, so there you go. That's what's left of the old outer sill. And there's a assemble your own Oversill. Beautiful. Look at all that. Yummy. So they've obviously not put any protection on this at all. There's no paint on there. I'm not sure what they really expected to happen. Quick, cheap fixes. Classic. Right, so there you go. It's now like 11 o'clock, so I need to stop making noise. So yeah, let's have a look what we've done. So this is what's left of the inner sill. It is quite pitted. I'm not sure whether I should just do an entire inner sill. Really want to be doing the whole lot. Definitely need to do some of it. And I cleaned up some of the floor. Everything past this first flute is solid, which I'm super happy about. I don't want to be doing much more. That's where I tried to get the sling and bracket off without drilling the spot welds, because I'm an idiot. So a couple of holes there, but all the rest is looking solid. And there's my pile of crap on the floor. So. Yeah, sure has been working hard, covered in crap. So go home, have a shower, go to bed. Wonderful. Cheers.